Hey YouTubers, time for another crowdfunding project that I invested in. This time it's on Kickstarter and it's called the Mofin charger. It's a car charger or desk charger that it's pretty much wireless charging. But the unique thing about this is that it has a handle to hold your phone, so you don't have to mess with the sides or anything to push it. But let's get started so you know what I'm talking about. As you can see here, this is the bag and the box that it comes in. It's called the Mofin wireless charger, and as you can see here, it has Q capability, fast charging. It has it's called the gravity auto lock design, and as you'll see, what happens, the auto lock is that these two will come in when there's pressure on this part of the phone to hold your phone in place. You can do one hand operation and everything. It supports all types of phone, iPhone, Samsung Note. What I have here is my Note 8, as you can see, and I will be testing this out. So we'll do a live demonstration today. Open this out. I can open it. As you can see, we have an instruction manual right here. It's called the Air Mount Fast Wireless Charging Car Mount. And as you can see, there's some instructions. It has an air vent holder, and it also has a kind of like a stand that you can also place it on. So let's see it. There you go. As you can see here, this is the micro USB cable. This is the stand I'm talking about. This is made of plastic. This is your typical air vent holders, as you notice on most cell phones now. You push here to the vent. Roll it. And you have the actual Mofin car holder and an extra 3M sticker. So, as you can see here, when this goes down, these two right here hold the phone. So when you pull your phone out, it releases the phone. And this is all here Qi compatible, or Q, I don't know how to pronounce it. Wireless charging. The micro USB port goes in there. So let's test this out. I have the phone. This is a charging key. As you can see here, I'll plug this in right here and you'll see. Wrong way. As you see, it's power up. You see a red light. So now when I stick my phone in here, and my phone comes on, it's charged. You can kind of barely see it, but it is charging. and as you can tell, it's charging because of the green light. So you see one handle, one handle charge. See, one handle charge. As you can see here, this is where the holder comes into place. You just pretty much slide this holder in here, and you can 3M this anywhere in your car. Put that in place. Or you can just use this part. This. Maybe tighten it right here. Tighten like this. And you would just clamp this in your car. Either clamp it down like this, or clamp it from the bottom like this. You'll hold in your air vent. And slide in. And as you can see, it charges your phone right away. Or if you have you want to put it at your desk, same thing. You're working at your desk, 3M sticker, or use the 3M sticker in your car. Get to work. Boom. Wireless charging. When you go home, take it out. Work. Wireless charging. And the screen works and everything. See here. See? All my stuff works. As you can tell, it's charging right there, the battery's charging. And that's about it. It's currently going on, I believe they have it on sale on Indiegogo, but I will set up a link. And then you can also look at Mofin.me, www.morphin.me, and you should be able to pre-order it. I'll set the links on the YouTube page. That's about it. Have a nice day, YouTubers.